Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is Archie, your host, and you're watching me on Wrestle Brothers. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about WWE's tomorrow's pay-per-view Payback, and this video is going to be some video about my prediction, the surprises that may happen on prediction, and some shocking returns. So stay tuned. Video is gonna be interesting. So the first match that I'm going to start with is a kickoff match that's been latestly included in the list. That is a women's tag team match, Riot Squad versus the Iconic. So there is nothing to tell about this match, so I will not go in the depth of this match. For me, I will predict the winner will be the Riot Squad because it's a newly formed team. After a long time we are seeing Liv Morgan and Ruby Riott at the same team, so my prediction, Riot Squad. So right now let's get into the main show. So the first match that I'm going to start with is the match between Matt Riddle versus King Corbin. So we all know the rivalry has been going on for for the last month right now, and the rivalry build up is good, I would say. But here, if we look at the way WWE booked everything, I think WWE always try to make King Corbin a proper heel, and also at the same time Matt Riddle has been given a proper opportunity. So I believe this will be the first pay-per-view debut for Matt Riddle. So I believe the prediction or the winner of this match will definitely be Matt Riddle because it's his debut. So I think WWE will make him this win. Okay, now moving on to the next match. The next match is also been latestly included in the list. That is the singles match between Big E versus Sheamus. So this rivalry is decent. Build up is very much decent because in 1 week when Sheamus started with a broad kick and then this rivalry started. So looking at the way both the superstars are in a momentum right now, both the superstars are trying to get their singles run quite well, and WWE is pushing both of the superstars. So I will say my prediction goes to, as in the SmackDown Big E won, so I will predict Sheamus will winning this match, and he will be maybe winning in a clean sheet. Okay, now the next match is the United States Championship match between Apollo Crews and Bobby Lashley. I'm really looking forward to this match because it's a big opportunity for Bobby Lashley and also Apollo Crews at the same time. Apollo Crews has been the champion for a quite few time right now, but if I look about Bobby Lashley also deserves to be a champion, not a United States champion, but I think he deserves to be a Universal or a WWE champion. So I will not see Bobby Lashley as a United States champion. I will see I want Apollo Crews to retain the championship, and I do want WWE to put Bobby Lashley in the main card picture. So my prediction, Apollo Crews. Now the next match is a one-on-one singles match between Randy Orton and Keith Lee. So very interesting way this match has happened, and this match result, I would say anyone can win this match. Whether Drew McIntyre will get involved in this match or not, that's the most important thing will be that will be happening. But my prediction goes to Randy Orton because he has lost to at SummerSlam to Drew McIntyre. So I think Keith Lee will give a good fight, but I don't see WWE taking the momentum away from Randy Orton. So my prediction goes to Randy Orton. Okay, but I believe the match will be really good, and if Drew McIntyre doesn't interfere, I don't know what will happen. Okay, now the next match is the father-son duo debut in a pay-per-view. That is Rey Mysterio and Dominic will be facing the Monday Night Messiah, Seth Rollins and Buddy Murphy. So this is an interesting one, in the last Raw that happened, but Retribution totally disqualified the match. So I believe the winner is very much clear now because Seth Rollins has beaten Rey Mysterio and Dominic separately. So there is no way that Seth Rollins is going to win in this pay-per-view. Also, I think it's a better way to give the father and son duo a better chance to be on the a winning list. So I believe Rey Mysterio and Dominic will be the winner right now, and I do want this two father son duo to be a tag team champion, future tag team. So I want this to win, and I think that Buddy Murphy will definitely get pinned or something like that, but I don't see Seth Rollins winning this match in any way. Okay, now the next match is a women's tag team championship match. That is the champion Sasha and Bayley will be defending their championship against Shayna Baszler and Nia Jax. So newly formed team, but I think this team will be a strong one and they will become a champion in this pay-per-view. So I see the proper line of rivalry will start from this Payback only. both between Bailey and Sasha Banks. So I see them dropping the title here to Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler. I think I don't have that much expectation from the match, but I believe this way here we can see a new women's tag team champion. Okay, now the next match that will be the main event of the show, and that is the no holds barred match, the triple threat match between Fiend, Braun Strowman and the returning Roman Reigns. So I think the match will be a superb one, because as it's a no holds barred match, the way Roman's character has evolved as a heel one, Fiend has been a dangerous one, Strowman has been a monster. I think they three will destroy each other, and I do want this match to be a very good match and one of the best match of this year. So my prediction for this match is very much tough, because it's really a tough one to select any of them who will be the winner. But I see the way WWE is making things up. I will choose to either I will see Fiend retaining the championship somehow, or we will see Roman Reigns as the new Universal Champion. So I don't know what will happen. Paul Heyman is beside Roman Reigns, so maybe WWE is pushing Roman Reigns in a proper way right now. But keeping the title to Fiend just for 1 week is also a bad thing for Bray Wyatt's career. So let's see who wins, but my prediction goes to both Roman or either Fiend retaining. So let's see what happens. So this is my final review for Payback. So I will let you know how I will liked Payback. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.